Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. You know, at the Tree Planters, one of the products we offer is screenings and privacy and hedges. Those are three different things, but I won't explain that. What I wanted to get to is the fact that we're looking at about a 5.5 foot tall Podocarpus hedge that is only about 15 feet long. And it's only that long because the designers planned it to be this way. We're at a little bitty restaurant on Lake Yola in downtown Orlando. And if you're sitting on the other side of that hedge, you cannot see over to this side of the hedge. That was intended. This is something you can do. There's all kinds of options you can take when you're creating a screen, and this is one of them. If you like it, give us a call and we'll make it happen for you.